Okay, so now we have a quadrant 3 angle, so I think you're really getting the hang of this as far as drawing it and setting it up. Let's check it out. Quadrant 3 angle lives in the quadrant where it's between 180 degrees and 270 degrees, so it's down here, bottom left. And we know that because as we go to draw this coordinate from the origin, I'm going -4 direction, so I'm going to turn left here. This is a -4 direction. And then I'm going to go down 3. So here's my down 3 direction. Again, I understand that the side lengths are not negative, but because we're in quadrant 3, that means that the directions are negative. Okay, so the right angle is here. Remember that theta is always anchored at the origin. So left 4, down 3, go back to the origin, and here is your unit circle triangle for trig. What we need to do is find the radius. So of course, we're going to use our x squared plus y squared equals r squared formula because that's the equation of a circle. We're trying to find the radius, which is the hypotenuse of our triangle. And don't forget what I told you before, and that is when you square a negative number, it must turn out positive. So this is going to be a positive 9 and a positive 16. And 9 and 16 make 25. And when you square root that 25, the radius is 5. Now, I will give you a hint, and that is that the radius will never, ever, ever be negative. A radius is always a distance. So always a distance on the circle. So there's no negative direction for radius. Radius goes an infinite number of directions because it's connected to everywhere from your center point to your circumference. So this will always be a positive number. So if you don't get a positive number here, that means you squared something and forgot to put it positive. So here it is. There's our 3 lengths, and what we're going to do is we're going to do sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. And what you need to know is sine is y over r. And our y value is -3, so we're going to have -3/5. Cosine is x over r. That's going to give us -4/5. And tangent is y over x. And that's going to give us -3 over -4. And you know that a negative over negative is a positive. So we have tangent is positive over here. Okay, so we got 2 negatives and a positive. Hold that thought. We got one more to go, and then we can put it all together.